Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, I will be guiding you on how to farm on Mozo AI. Mozo AI is a Web3 project built on the Ton blockchain, and they have partnered with the Avive Dev Team, and it promises to be a good opportunity. So guys, before we get started, if you know you find our video tutorials useful, do well support our channel by buying our educational token WikiCat. WikiCat is built on the Binance Smart Chain network. I will be dropping the contract address in the description below this video. So guys, quickly let's dive into it. Now, to get started on Mozo AI, you'll be needing a referral link. So I'll be getting one from a friend. You click on the link, it redirects you to Telegram. Here you go. So you click on play now. Here you go. This is the Mozo AI interface. So now all you have to do is tap on this yellow icon in the middle to claim the points that have been accrued. So let's tap. You keep tapping. When you are done tapping, you click on claim. Here you go. The points are automatically added to your balance. So the Mozo session lasts for 4 hours. So you come back in 4 hours to claim another point. Now you can navigate your way around using these icons below. Okay, so the task icon allows you to carry out some tasks by following these social handles and doing some special tasks to earn additional reward. Now we have the boost icon. The boost icon allows you to enjoy 3 free boosters per day. So you have the energy refill. It automatically gives you a full capacity once you click on this. And now you have the lightning tap. This increases your tapping speed. Okay, so we have the multi-tap. The multi-tap allows you to increase your tap per session, and the energy limit allows you to increase your energy capacity. So we also have the friend icon. The friend icon allows you to generate your unique referral link, so you can send to friends to join you in mining Mozo AI, and you'll be getting additional reward. So guys, this is all for Mozo. It's quite easy and straightforward. So guys, if you have any question regarding this video, do well to drop them right at the comment section, and the team member will be providing answers to it. If you find the video interesting, do well give the video a thumbs up. Kindly hit the subscribe button to join this growing community. Turn on your post notification so you get notified each time a new video drops.